up? Welcome back to Kay Harrington. And today we're trying some American snacks. What are we going to try first?
Let's go with the prime.
Alright. So, which one? Just point. Just point to which one you want. Alright, first. Blue raspberry. Bottom apple tea. I'm not even eating it, I'm drinking it, so I don't know why I'm saying that. It's pretty good. 8 out of 10. It tastes like blue raspberry, but it's a little sweet.
I would give it at least a 6 out of 10.
That's quite low. Next up we have lemon and lime.
What? Did you break the lid?
Alright, bottoms up.
Does it taste nice?
6 out of 10. It does taste like lemon and lime, which is good.
8 out of 10.
It is good though. Anyways, let's screw that back on. Alright, next up we're gonna try. I'm gonna save the best for last. So, next up, these were discontinued in the UK, so we're calling them American.
Yeah.
Haribo Smurfs.
Yeah.
I've not tried these in ages.
Just like the Smurf cat meme, except they're not cats.
Oh my gosh, shut up about that. Thank you.
Does anyone like shoes?
Don't. Ooh, okay.
You got a yellow and blue one?
It's not even yellow, it's just white.
Oh.
That's good.
I got a white and blue one.
It's good. 9 out of 10.
I love them.
Oh, there's a red one in there. I'm trying that.
I love them. I'm going 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10, definitely. Alright, on the side. Next up we have extra cheddar goldfish.
Hey, I can't see. No one will see me, bro.
Alright. Got a few. Thumbs up. Alright, get some. Those good. 8.7. 8 out of 10. They're really good.
9 out of 10.
Alright. Definitely save them for later. Next up, goldfish. Just normal goldfish. It's not even open properly. Right. Right. That's good. Not as good as them though.
I'll go 7 out of 10.
Yeah, same here.
Do you want to do the taste challenge?
Next up, these aren't American, but we're including them. Haribo Star Mix.
Why else would they be in the American shop? Just take one.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, I got my favourite Love Heart. Well, my second favourite.
Ooh, Airheads.
Hello. Oh, is
I want to do it. I'm gonna do it.
Alright,
oh, hey, you're just here. I'm really
so,
Can I test?
we're gonna, yeah, you can test once we've tried the last one, okay? Airheads Mystery.
I hope no one heard that.
Ooh.
Do you have a bite? And I had the last
Alright. Oh,
Don't eat it all, just one bite.
it's quite good. It's like hard and chewy at the same time.
Yeah.
It's good.
8 out of 10.
7. Alright, so
9.5
now-
out of 10.
now with our new contestant, he's going to try the ones that we tried. First up, Blue Raspberry Prime.
Prime.
Oh my god.
We got prime, boys.
Shut up. Thank you. Drink. Drink, drink, drink.
Drink it. Drink it.
How much out of 10? Where do you put the lid, man? Why do you put it on the floor?
I'd make it a 10.
A 10 out of 10, jeez.
Jeez.
10
Next up, lemon and lime. Right, sit down.
So brown.
Not that far away. Come on.
Right, how do I... Oh, there we are.
There we are. It's okay.
Wait, we've never had the full gang together, have we?
No.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, that's what I gave it.
Yeah, I gave
Not as
it.
good at blueberry.
I loved it.
I can't screw this on properly for some reason. All right, next up,
What's
Wait.
next? Right, what's next?
extra cheddar.
Oh, I need some.
Goldfish.
Bro, someone hold the bag.
He's gone crazy.
No.
No.
What'd you rank it? 100 out of 10. 100 out of 10.
Okay.
I
Yes, we have the original. Okay. Next up.
2 trillion out of 10.
What?
Oh, that's
Right,
really
next.
salty.
Next is
Smurfos.
Smurf Haribos.
No, I thought they
Take
were
one.
I thought they
I'm
were.
taking another one while he's at it.
I'll take another one. I love them.
How good?
Smurf out of 10.
Okay. Then Haribo Star Mix. There you go.
Well, let's see how much you like Haribos.
0 out of 10.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he's dying! He's dying! And he's dead.
Oh, and also, I have
Yay.
a cursor on.
I'm
upon-
fine.
Oh, he's fine.
I have a cursor upon the blue raspberry. A really bad one. Pass it. Let me drink it again. You drink some? Pass. Pass, I need some. Okay. Let me show you my curse.
Smurf and blue raspberry, good. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, so now
Oh,
guys,
just to let
wait,
you know,
guys,
a Smurf is infinite.
I don't feel very
Okay, so-
well.
okay, so next guys, we're gonna combine some
Uh-oh.
food combination.
Uh-oh.
Yay! So first, we're gonna do lemon and lime prime and blue raspberry
Wait,
prime.
who wants to do the taste test?
So, I'll do the first bit.
Know what I mean by that? Someone covers their eyes and you have to test the flavours. Who's gonna close their eyes for this one?
Now, whose time's it next?
2 out of 10.
I'm gonna.
Yeah? Okay.
Sneaky. No, bro. Why do we never sponsor Max in our videos? Right.
2 trillion out of 10. I'm dead. It's a 0 out of 10.
That's blue raspberry.
I'm alive.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press it.
It's lime. I'm gonna press it.
Yes, I did it.
No, do not press it. We're still in our video.
Let's press it.
Get down, bro. Do not press the big red button. No, really, don't press it. We just need let's see. Right, you guys, magazine. Guys, he said he's talking about magazines.
Oh, get down there.
He talks about Thomas and Friends too much.
You know what?
Oh, you're back. We're having some troubles about him.
You two do it for now and I'll join later.
Okay.
Next food combination.
Just take one. Get another one.
Just take one. Just take one. Let's see how this tastes.
Oh, it doesn't taste any different.
Also, if you subscribe, you can join our
Smurf out.
pizza party.
Smurf out of 10. All you have to do is like and subscribe.
And then you can be entered to win some pizza. Oh my god.
Pizza. Pizza, I'm going to subscribe right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, I guess it's just me now.
For now.
Ah!
Back in a few seconds.
Next we need goldfish and goldfish. Goldfish, goldfish. I'm going to try it first.
Yeah, I'm always first.
Come on, how are we ever going to get likes and subscribes?
What's this?
Food? Got any other food? The blueberry prime, yeah.
He doesn't, guys, he
Blueberry
doesn't.
prime.
Guys, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. He's the robber.
Meow. See the camera. See the camera.
It's a lid. Now he's infected.
Bye, guys. Right, we're the main two, so
Well,
you don't
alright.
get in the full
So,
sum.
no, come on, no.
Tom, you're not winning.
Come on in.
Yeah, but we have not. I have no full face there.
Yummy. Yummy Oliver. So first up, we're going to try Oliver.
Yeah, eat him. Actually, I have something I want to eat too.
Alright, goldfish.
I'm back.
Alright, so
Goldfish.
my first weird food combination, which I did tell you we were doing, Smurf and mini cheddar.
Hey, look! I got my best friend, Mr. Burger.
I like eating. Don't eat all the Smurfs.
Well, I'm just doing a
That's not even good. Ugh. I'm gonna go split your throat.
100.
Smurf. Excellent Smurf out of 10.
Disgusting. 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Next up, I already done blue raspberry and lemon and lime, but this time I'm gonna do blue raspberry and Smurf. I'm gonna chew this up. I'll choose when to do the next food combination.
But let's get
Goldfish and prime.
Alright,
No?
we can chew. Gold. Original goldfish.
5 out of 10. Not very good.
We got prime, boys. Alright, next. It's okay. I guess.
2 out of 10. Not very good. Nah, 0 out
Both
of 10.
cheddars, both cheddars.
No, shower.
Then we're gonna taste the exact same thing when we did, by the way.
I don't care. It's gonna be more salty.
I don't like these food combinations, guys.
By the way, we just made this video for an excuse to eat, honestly.
Ugh, that feels really bad. Wait, I've got milk right.
Good.
And
So we don't actually have any more food combinations, but
guys, I'll be back
So-
to the end of the video.
okay. So I don't know what to do next.
Wait,
How about we eat a dog over here?
yes, Max is coming. Right,
Is
guys.
our dog
I'll
Max?
be back in a
Max,
second.
come on. Max, come here. That's our dog Max. Hey, Maxie boy. We're gonna eat you. We're gonna eat you now. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Dylan, come eat him. Yummy. Say hi to the camera, Max. Hi, everybody.
Guys, I'm back. Hey guys, are you hugging
Come
with
on,
Max?
eat him. Come eat him.
Eat him?
Yeah. Max, come here. Come here.
That's better.
Come here. Good. Come here.
Now everyone.
Max, come here.
Now we've got someone to sponsor in our video. Good old
Max
Max.
the dog.
Max, come here. Max.
No, that's fine. It's fine. Just let him go if he wants.
Okay.
to go.
Right. I guess that's the end of our video then.
Not really.
Ooh, smart.
Also, if you subscribe, I'll give you the Smurf.
I want this.
3, 2, 1. Well done, you subscribed. Here you go. Oh no. Not even.
Sorry about having problems again.
We'll just cut it out. We'll just. Huh? We'll just finish. We'll just cut this bit out. Alright, guys. That'll be the end.
Say bye to Big Mac.